Hey guys, I'm back. Welcome to another episode of me trying stuff. I'm gonna think of a name. Please help me. I am very excited today because one, I'm hungry. And I probably shouldn't even be doing this when I'm hungry, but I'm hungry. I keep seeing all this stuff because I'm in these little natural things, and I'm going vegan. I've gone vegan for months. It hasn't been a full year yet, but yeah, and it's been interesting. I'm always trying to find something else to eat, cut something out, make stuff that everybody else doesn't want to eat. But it's been an interesting journey. So I was going through all my little stuff, and I was on TikTok. Yes, I'm on TikTok at this age, I know. And I found this guy making watermelon sushi. Now let me tell you something. Seafood has been my challenge during this whole vegan thing. So watermelon sushi. Now, when I heard it, just like you, it sounded pretty stupid. Who the heck could make seafood out of watermelon? But this is what I've learned about vegans, okay? They can take a shoebox and put it in the oven and bake it and then call it steakums. Yeah, they try everything. So, sorry vegans, no disrespect. I'm trying to be with you. So today I am going to try this watermelon sushi. Let me just say, it is snowing outside. I just went to Whole Foods and got this watermelon. Do you know how much watermelon at Whole Foods costs in the winter? And I'm getting ready to put some soy sauce on this and put it in the oven. I'm gonna be mad if this is not good, okay?
Try it out. Today we're going to turn watermelon into tuna. My last video was super controversial, so today we're making a tuna tartare for the vegans, vegetarians, and people who aren't comfortable eating raw meat.
Okay, so per the directions, he told me to cut the watermelon up into pieces. I guess as many as I would want for myself, and if I have any guests. It's COVID, so there are no guests. Put it in a bowl. He did not say how much sesame seed oil, so I'm going to splash some on. And some rice wine vinegar. He didn't say how much of that either. Pour a little more of that on. And then lastly, it was soy sauce. And I use gluten-free soy sauce and just put equal parts of that. I guess that's right. And then some red pepper flakes. Not too spicy. I don't like spicy food. Stir it up and we're done. Reading is fundamental. You gotta marinate this for 6 hours. What am I supposed to eat for dinner tonight? I'm hungry. How did I not read that you have to marinate this for 6 hours? Okay. All right, guys. Okay, it's been 24 hours since I put that sushi in there. So let's see. Don't mind my slippers. It's Saturday now. See how our marinade came out. Okay, y'all know I'm trying to make a real experience out of this because I'm really hungry. So I even bought the sushi ginger. You know how they have that little on the plate. I got my little chopsticks, my metal chopsticks I've been waiting to use. I'm gonna put a little ginger on the side there. I made myself some green tea. Let me sip that first. Okay, I'm using the leftover sauce. He said use the leftover sauce. Yeah, I don't know. We can dip it. I don't know. I'm scared to taste it. I don't even think I'm going to use these chopsticks because I want to really get down and taste it. But they look nice on my plate. All right, so here we go, guys. So this has this has just rice, avocado. I'm going to dip it in this little sauce. And here is watermelon sushi. Okay. It's not bad. It's like all vegan stuff. They're like, oh my God, this tastes just like this. I don't think it tastes like tuna. I think maybe I could have cooked it longer. So it's still a little soft. I feel like I could still taste the watermelon. So maybe I needed a better marinade. But that being said, it's still pretty tasty. Like, I would eat the rest of it. I don't know if it's exactly like tuna. Ooh. I could do this. I could do this. I could do this. I'm really hungry, but I think I can do this. Yeah, watermelon sushi.